Canada's army isn't just buying new toys because they feel like it. After years of underinvestment and outdated equipment that barely cut it for peacekeeping missions, the federal government has made modernization a real priority backed by serious cash-in planning. That's what Acquisition for Modernization is about, aligning money, procurement, and strategy to remake the Army into something that can actually handle future threats. The federal government is committed to spending 2% of GDP on defense this fiscal year, which translates to an extra $9.3 billion for Canadian Army and defense. There's also talk of pushing that to as much as 5% by 2035. That's not small change. It's designed to allow major programs to go ahead without constantly looking over their shoulder for funding cuts. Under the Army's Inflection Point 2025 modernization strategy, basically the roadmap for change, Acquisition is focused on a handful of critical capability areas: long-range precision strike, LRPS, the ability to hit targets far beyond the front lines with accuracy, something the Army has lacked for decades, indirect fires modernization, updating artillery and mortar systems, so they're mobile, effective on modern battlefields, and interoperable with allies. Up to 98 self-propelled howitzers have been suggested to replace older towed guns. Ground-based air defense. Survivability against drones and aircraft is a must. Modern air defense systems are being acquired as interim and future capabilities. Domestic Arctic mobility enhancement. Vehicles and systems that can actually operate in extreme northern conditions. Protecting sovereignty in the Arctic. C5 ISRT. Command, control, communications, computers, cyber, intelligence, surveillance, reconnaissance, and targeting. Upgraded networks and systems to connect soldiers, units, and sensors on the battlefield. These are the big headline projects the Army wants to get done first. They're the foundation of future combat capability. Procurement isn't just buying stuff. Modernization means changing how you acquire things too. The government is setting up a defense investment agency to streamline procurement, creating a clearer industrial strategy so Canadian companies can compete and build equipment here, not just import it. This matters because in the past the military was stuck doing lengthy contracts and slow processes that left soldiers with gear that was outdated before it arrived. Beyond equipment, structural change. It isn't just about tanks and missiles. Modernization includes organizational and cultural reform, so the Army can integrate new capabilities efficiently. That includes restructuring command, adapting training, and improving digital systems. What this actually means on the ground, you're going to see new vehicles and artillery systems rolling into units, improved communications and battlefield networks, air defense gear able to counter modern threats like drones, better equipment for harsh environments like the Arctic. All of this aims to make the Canadian Army relevant and capable in a fight against peer or near-peer adversaries, not just peacekeeping operations. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.